So I just cleared this area. This is the one I had before, and the new one is gonna be here. Just received a call that the fridge is on its way from Grandad, so I'm excited, can't wait. I'll see if I could capture any footage of them offloading it. Yeah, I'm excited. It's here. Guys, I'm carrying the fridge. Just kidding, it's an empty box. Alright. Man, you guys have no idea. So, this is the one I had. And this is my first. It's like 2-in-1. You can use it as a refrigerator or a freezer. I use it as a freezer. And now I have this one. I'm so excited, guys. Like, over the moon. Can't wait to create all the goodies for you. Now that I have more storage. So this is the handle and an ice tray, the manual. I did it. I assembled the handle.